Today I want to test two types of plug cutters, straight and tapered. I bought them together in a set a while back, and honestly, I've always wondered which one actually works better and where. I'll be testing both on a drill press and with a hand drill because real life doesn't always happen next to a drill press. I'm also using two types of wood, pine for softwood and walnut for hardwood. To keep things clear, I marked the right side as drill press and the left side as hand drill. And on each side, we'll have both cutters, straight and tapered. No excuses later. Let's start with pine on the drill press. The straight bit cuts into pine like a knife into butter. Fast, clean, no drama at all. The tapered bit also goes in smoothly. Maybe just a tiny bit more resistance, but nothing you'd complain about. So far, both look good. Now let's switch to walnut. With the tapered bit, I can already feel it struggling a little more. There's some vibration and it definitely feels less relaxed. The straight bit, on the other hand, feels more stable. Less vibration, easier cut. Although it does produce a bit of smoke. Nothing scary, just walnut reminding us that it's not pine. Now let's move away from the drill press and test these with a hand drill, where things get more interesting. Starting with the straight bit and pine. Overall, not bad. The hardest part is the beginning, keeping the drill perfectly straight. But once the cutter bites in, it actually behaves pretty well. Now let's try the tapered bit. And yeah, this is where things start going downhill. No matter how carefully I hold it, straight, firm, two hands, I just can't get a clean cut. The bit wants to wander and the plug never really forms properly. Let's see if hardwood changes anything. Even with both hands on the drill, I still can't get a clean plug. It's fighting me the whole way. Now back to the straight bit and walnut. And this time, success. It's not effortless, and yes, there's a little smoke again, but the plug actually cuts well and comes out the way it should. So now that everything's done, let's put these plugs next to each other and see how clean they really are. If you don't have a drill press, I'd stick with straight plug cutters. They're not perfect, but they're much easier to use by hand. With a drill press, either option works, but for me, the straight cutters still came out a bit cleaner. If you're using a different method for cutting plugs, or if you've had better luck with tapered cutters, I'd honestly love to hear about it. Leave a comment and let me know what works for you. Thanks for watching.